Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Later that we divide both sides by 1 plus lny. And we divide both sides by t. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate on this one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus lny. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dy over y. This one we change by u. Dy over y we change by du. And this one we have like this. About u, that is about this one. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have ln of the absolute value of t. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.